You've probably heard of mountain climbers, but this is a mountain climber with a difference. It's a slow-mo, or a slow motion mountain climber. Really going to concentrate on contracting all those lovely core abdominal muscles to make the most effect for it. So, get in that lovely plank position, check the other video for that one. Then as you bring your knee in slowly, breathe out and compress those muscles much like an accordion. Get in your position, remember shoulders over the hands, nice and tight, elongate the collarbone. Do it nice and slow. And how many do you do? It all depends on you really. Do as many as you can while keeping that fantastic, slow, controlled movement. If you hit the 20, time to make things a bit harder. And I'll talk about that maybe in a later video.